I need to get up there. Finish up here and join us on board.
Hey, all right, get on that train! Bastard. All yours, Captain. Well, go on ahead.
Everybody stay calm and everybody will get shot. Go! Everything you got. Money, valuable.
Please don't hurt me.
Pay me what you
There
got,
you go.
mister. And you
Let's make
won't
this
get
quick,
hurt.
people. Come on. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
You're getting robbed, mister. Give me everything you
I
got.
ain't got nothing.
You want to have a little chat with Romeo and Juliet here?
Don't help me. I don't
What's the
want
problem here?
I'll do anything.
Money, valuable.
Don't
Now.
do this. Just give it to him, Thomas, please.
Okay. Come on. Okay. In the bag, everything
Damn
you
it,
got.
your money.
Keep it coming. Don't be
Nothing
shy.
else.
People like you make me
Make me
sick.
hurt you.
These two seem to think we're playing games.
Par pitié, je vous
I'm
en
gonna
prie.
count to 3. 1, 2. God damn it. Sick is better than dead, lady. And I'm losing my goddamn patience.
Let's just do what he says so this can be... Ladies and gentlemen, this is a robbery. Let's make this quick.
No, you go ahead and look for the baggage car.
Right you are.
Tough guy, huh? You sure about
Why are
that?
you wasting our time,
You
huh?
show this son of a bitch we ain't playing around here.
Quick, come on!
Please don't hurt me.
Everything you got. Money, valuables. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
You won't get a damn cent from me.
Let me hand you over to my friend then.
Money now! Son of a bitch.
Come on, cup it up, people. Don't be shy. Everything you got. Let's go.
Merde, merde, merde.
I'll do anything.
I can handle this from here. Check on Sean.
Okay. What is it? You all right?
Found the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taken a look yet?
There's probably something in here, Arthur.
For fuck's sake! For fuck's sake! Sorry. Come on, get up, you little Irish shit. Get up!
This time I'll look and you provide the cover.
I'll try my best, brother, but I'm seeing double here.
That gives you twice the chance of hitting someone.
Very funny. I'm gonna have a right out lump on me head.
At least you ain't got a hole in. Keep your eyes peeled.
Try me best, all right.
I know, that's what's worrying me. These folks are rich, all right.
Come on, we should get out of here. All right, we should probably be going now.
We're looking good in here.
Arthur, we've got a problem. There's two arseholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just see a pair of them.
All right, in that case, we're fighting. Marston, Smith, get ready.
You men come out the train now, do you hear? We said you men come out now.
There's only 2 of you fools. We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't the 2 of you ride away? That way neither of you get killed. Goddamn liberties.
There's a few more of them turning up.
Me and my big mouth. Okay, let's deal with them.
Out on the left, here come their friends. Ah! We got more coming from the trees there. Get rid of them, quick, so we can make a run for it.
Behind us! We got more of the bastards riding in!
In the name of the God, what do you say?
That's how you want to do it?
Shoot him again! me! Careful of it, that one was close!
You're gonna regret this, fella.
Come on, boys, let's get the hell out of here! Watch it, you big lout.
Right, let's lose him. Yep.
Yeah. Move!
Yeah. Whoa, that's it, boy. Yep.
Can't go clear now. Are you gonna behave now? Let me carry you.
Whoa!
Whoa! That was fun, boys. Real fun. We can see what they call you the professionals in the outfit.
Shut up.
At least we made some money. Hey, what did I get? Gotta be $100 here. Very nice.
You weren't even invited.
What now?
We still need a real big take, enough for us to get out of here.
Was that a setup? Law turned up real fast.
I don't know. I don't think so, but I'm starting to get nervous.
Think they followed us from Blackwater?
Maybe. They found me already near Horseshoe, but I think this lot was just locals.
I hope so. I'm gonna head into Valentine, see if I can get something started there.
Good idea. Either way, we should all go it alone right now. You know the deal. Don't be followed.
Of course not, boss.
Yeah.